Hello, everyone. How are you doing? So today I want to build something small on data using Data Drive. Hi, Parth. How are you doing? I'm good. Doing well, thanks. Are you coding on something yourself? The audio is not clear. Hello? The audio doesn't work. Does the audio work now? No, it works. Okay, awesome. Hi, Rohan. Awesome. So you're doing data science. So I'm gonna build a fun project today. Nothing. I spent most of my time setting up OBS. Has been a while since I streamed, so we'll build something quick today. But if you have ideas, let me know. I will be building a meme generator. So I think I will get started. And if you have any questions regarding data or anything, just feel free to send them. I see the chat. I don't know if I can. Yeah. Let me try something. Okay, now. Okay. That's fun, I guess. Okay, cool. Do you like the music? It's good? Is it loud? What stack? Are we using Python, Fast API, and data stuff? So I think you're familiar with Python and Fast API. I'll be using that. No music. Let me see. Can you hear the music now? Can you hear it now? Okay, awesome. Okay, cool. Yeah. So I'm not sure how to reduce the music is a bit too loud. Let's see. Okay, cool. So here I have, as always, a data micro that I already deployed, and I removed everything from requirements.txt and main.py. So maybe it's actually a good idea to write here somewhere what we're gonna write, code. So vim test. We will create a meme generator. And we're gonna use Fast API and Data Drive, which we just launched a few days ago. Maybe base. We'll see. Maybe we'll do some type of front end with JavaScript. Maybe Hyper App. We'll see. So this is the stack, I think. If I change something, I'm gonna let you know. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I think the quality will be bad at less than 20 seconds, especially because I have text I have text on screen, so I think I'm gonna keep it as is. It's fine. Cool. So let's get install the requirements. So we need Fast API, we need data, and we need Python multipart. So Fast API is our framework for the API itself. Data, usually data is pre-installed on each micro, but I think the micro I have doesn't have the version with drive support. So this is why I'm installing the most recent one. And then Python multipart is it's just a parser when you upload the files to Fast API, so you need to install it. And I think we already installed everything here, so we can code. So the first thing to do in every project is just to test if it's working. So we can just import Fast API from Fast API, import Fast API, then we'll just create a test route. Where's that? I'm using a different keyboard, so I don't know where's the at. Okay. Not sure how to type at. Shift, no. How do you type at here? Alt. Sure. That's weird. Let's see. No. Okay, I'm just gonna tap it from this one. From my. No, where is it? I'm not sure. Let's change the language. We'll see. So shift 2 is at app.get. So this is the test method. Need to know where that lives. Okay. So this is a test. This keyboard is weird. Index. Okay, now we need to get the actual URL. So if you type data details, you'll get the kind of the configuration, and then you'll get the URL. So let me open it in a browser tab, and then we'll see it. Okay, so it's working. I'm just gonna disable auth. So if you do not know Data Watch, it's a pretty cool. So whenever you change something, usually, let's say change your code to say hello, exclamation mark, you need to do data deploy every time. And it's kind of annoying every time you want to change something. New version, okay. Should I? Maybe later. So kind of to save time, there's a command called data watch. And yeah, so basically if I change anything, it will auto deploy for me, and then I can, when I refresh, I can see the changes. So it's pretty cool. As you can see, I don't usually develop, since data, I don't develop locally anymore. It feels kind of, for me, the speed is fairly, it's fast, so I don't really need to have a local environment and another environment on data. I just have one, one on data, and that's all. So let's see. So the first thing we want to do. So again, it's a meme generator. What is a meme generator? Let's search. So it's something like this, where you have an image, and then you can. So this is the most basic version of it. You can add top text, bottom text, and there's an image. So what I want to have is you upload an image. Sorry, you upload an image, and then you can provide top text, bottom text, and then you can download that image. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So the first thing we need to do, we need to provide an endpoint where you can upload an image. I don't know if I mean, there is a way where we can upload an image and the top text and the bottom text together. We'll see how to do that with Fast API. So multi-part. We can upload the file as base64, basically. Or we can, or another easy way of doing it, it's, so instead of sending the image and the top text and the bottom text together, we can upload the image and then provide the two texts separately. So to do that, first we need to upload the image. So let's change this to upload. So it will be upload And then we need to import two things from FastAPI. We need to import file and then upload file. And these will be there to kind of help us work with the file. So the file will be of type upload file, and the default is file. So So when we get the file, basically we will just return the file name. If we get the file, we'll just respond with, what we can do is we say got no. So I don't know. How this keyboard works. So we'll respond with got this file. So let's see that. So FastAPI is really helpful in that it gives us the API docs. Let's make this a bit smaller. Maybe put this here. So if you go, once you deploy your API, you can go to /docs, and then you can see the docs for your API, and then you also can use it from there. So I'm just gonna test something quickly. Okay, so I just put a couple test images. So we can test with them. So that's upload drive. Cannot have a body. Oh, okay. So this has to be post. And then let's refresh. Print out. Okay, cool. Got data.png. So now we wanna want to like generate an ID for it and then store it under this ID, and also okay, no worries, see you in a bit. So we'll instead of using the name, so we'll store it in Drive, but instead of using the name, we will give it our own random name. Okay. So we need to generate a random string using Python. I think the easiest way is to import UID, I think. Let's have so there is a really cool way to interact with your micro without. So I want to test UID. I mean, you can just test it. Well, that will also work if you can just type Python and then import UID and then import. And then UUID, I want an ID of version 4. Sorry, UID dot, no, or UID 4 maybe. Okay, so X. Okay, so yeah, I just like wanted to check the API, and I guess you can just could say UID dot, yeah, so it has autocomplete dot hex. Okay, cool. So we're gonna upload this file. So we need to get the drive from data, import drive. We need to set up or instantiate it. So meme equals drive memes. So we give it a name, and then it's ready to use. So but I also need the extension of this file. So to get the extension, we get it from the name, extension file dot file name dot split by the period, and then we get the first element. Let's see if I can figure out to type square brackets here. No, have to change the keyboard every time. So if a file, so I made this mistake in my last video. If if the file is test.png and you want to split by the dot, this will give you, you know, a list with test and then png, and we want png the extension. So 0 1, we need the item the index 1, and the new name of the file will be will be, so let's return it actually just for testing, or sorry, we can reuse the same thing. So it would be key dot and then extension. So this would be, sorry, just X. This would be the new name for the file. So if we rerun this again, we get server error because key file split, something wrong. Let's open the visor, see. Oops. And that visor opens. So I'm not seeing the interesting. I'm getting the errors. Turn from data power drive. What do I have here? Key. Let's see. What did we do? Is it? Let's try to run it locally and see if we can figure out what went wrong. Okay, so locally it's working. Okay. But why didn't we catch it here? That's weird. We should have caught it here. Interesting. So we just forgot to call UID here. So let's see. Let's write again. And yeah, now we get the new name of the file. So the idea is this is the new name of the file. And it will be used to submit the top text and bottom text. So let's create the API where the user can just submit this plus the top text and bottom text, and then they will get their meme generated. So well, actually, first I need to store it. So to store it, I just do memes.put. So first is the name, which is this. And then the file, which is file dot file, I believe. So this is how we upload the file, and I'm just gonna return the key for now, and then later we'll be able to get the file based on its key. Maybe actually to test if the file was uploaded, we can just create an endpoint to view the file. So let's create it. So let me copy this. And this will be the key. This will be get. This will be view. This will be key. And then need the extension. So we always need the extension. Okay, so that's the name will always be the whole ID. So this will be name, so the new name of the file. And this will be the name. And then let's get a file based on its name. So memes dot get the name. Let's get responses. So image equals if not image, we'll just return a 404 that the image does not exist. So responses dot response I think to status code 400 is enough. I'm not sure. Let's see. Your upload route has a typo. Oh, okay. Thanks. Yeah. I was looking at it weird and I couldn't figure out what went wrong there. But thanks. Thanks for letting me know. So let's test this new endpoint. So we did not store anything yet in Drive, but I'm just gonna try see if the 404 is gonna work or not. So we'll get this is the URL. And so /test we got test, but it should be sorry, return, forgot to return. Cool. So I guess we can just say meme not found. Cool. So it's working. Now let's store the image, and then if we return it, we need responses dot streaming response image dot iter chunks, and we need to return the content type be media type. So the media type will be basically, we need the extension. So it would be name. And then the media type will be image slash I tested it before and it will work. I think if you just hard coded PNG, it will work for JPEG too. But for us, we're setting the correct media type here. So now let's store an image and see if we can fetch it back. Okay, another server. This is the local one. Maybe I should not. Oh. See, because we fix the typo. Choose file, run. Cool. So we basically, if we got this, which means we upload the image, and actually it's better to just do return. When you store something in Drive, we will return the name of the file. So let's test if we can get this image. And yeah, so we were able to store it. Kind of a bit slow, but that's because the micros are by default, they have very little memory just to keep them kind of efficient. But I could increase this and it would be much faster. Yeah, cool. So what's next? Next is the endpoint for sending the top and bottom text. So we'll just copy this, and then hopefully we'll be able to create the front end. I'm not sure if I will be able to do it today. So post text, and then in this case we need to use Pydantic. So pass text, and goes it. Let's get Pydantic from base model. String. Should be also string, and I guess all of them can be none if you want to have only one line. And maybe let's get rid of text, just keep it cleaner. And just run back. Cool. So this would be the input. Let's code send text equals text. Just to test it, we will return whatever we get. So let's refresh the docs. Oops, we failed again. Something failed. Yes. This is good, I think. What is that? What's wrong? um, I'm making a meme generator. So you upload an image and you send top text and bottom text, and then we will return um, a meme. We'll respond with a meme that you can share or you can download. Dude, everybody tells me to go to have sleep. This is how I look like. I always look like this. I had 10 hours of sleep last night, so don't worry. Okay, so what's the problem? Sorry. It has to be like this. So text of type text. So technically you can just return this and it should work. Hopefully. Is it like what makes you think I did not sleep? Is it my hair? I'm kind of interested in knowing. So cool. Let's send some text, I guess. Doesn't really matter. And we got it back, so it's working. So now we need to actually, and then what we need is we need to also pass an image ID. So we'll fix it in a bit, but we need to pass an image ID or like image key. It will be also a string, and this is required. Okay, put it at the top. And now we need to actually do the put the text on the image. To do this, I believe we need to use Pillow or PIL from Python. Let's open the API, see. Okay, so we need to install. Hopefully we can install it. I guess it doesn't matter how you write it. Let's see if we can install it. Should have checked before. Okay, cool. So we were able to install Pillow. Let's see what is the API we need to use. I did not use Pill for many years, so I actually forgot. What the API looks like. So image open. Let's give it a try. Maybe let's install it here. Oops. Nice. I can install Pillar locally. Yeah, no idea. Okay, so we have to test it inside the micro itself. So let's see. So I don't have autocomplete for a Pillar here. Think, where was it? Image open. This is for the file system. We need one. Hopefully it will understand a file-like object. Let's see. Just gonna check the docs. Let's read into chunks. Okay. So let's get the image. First, let's get the image from. So based on the image key, we'll get it from Drive and then try to open it. So meme image, get it from memes.get text dot image key, and then we'll see image is image dot open dot read. Let's hope this works. Oh, I have it here. I can string binary. Okay, hopefully it's gonna work. Then we'll see if it works. So I get this key. See what happens. Server error. See. Embedded. What did I do? Since when does Python have these types? New. Open. Image file and found. See if this works. Yeah, I do. I don't use my local pip that much, so this is why I did not upgrade it. But I see there are like a couple major versions that I don't have. Drive is not open source, no. It's not, no. But yeah. Um, awesome, Atul. What did you build? You can share in the comments what you built. So no, Drive is not open source. Most of the stuff we do is not really open source because we really focus on people getting things, out instead of worrying about deployments and installing things and configuring things. So that's something we don't really like. We like people to just get started without any configuration or setup. So I think now, hopefully it's gonna work. So we're just like convert the bytes into something, so the row bytes into something Pillow can understand. Let's see if this works. Okay, so it seems to work. And now let's see. Let's add the text to image draw. I'm following a different code snippet each time. Maybe we should follow one. Okay, let's follow this one. So draw image. How do you image draw the text? So I need to give it the coordinates. Maybe 1, 1. And then we'll give it the text. Hello there. And then the font, the color, I guess, will be white. And then we need to, what we could do, hopefully, we just respond with it. So responses, that's streaming response. Is it the image? I don't know. Let's see. Again, I'm not familiar with the Pillow library, so I'm hoping I'm gonna get it right. I don't know. Again, we need the media type here. So I'm gonna just hard code it as image PNG. We'll see later how to improve this a bit. Let's see if even server error. Can I just return the image itself? I'm not sure what is. Might have the right API. No. Something's wrong here. Oh, so that's a different one. Image draw.draw. Okay, so that's a different error here. Because I want to do it on the server, I'm not that good at JavaScript. So I wanna do it on the server using Python. That's the main reason. Probably there's a way to do it with JavaScript using Canvas or something, but I'm not that I'm not really familiar with the JavaScript ecosystem. So at least here I feel somewhat comfortable with it. But yeah, this was your idea, by the way, Gabriel. You suggested the meme generator, so we'll see if we can deep fry the meme at the end or not. We'll see. So, see if this worked. Okay, so server. Let's see. It's not an iterator, so I guess 2 bytes hopefully works. I'm not sure. 2 bytes. I don't know. Yeah, I need to serialize I need to base64 encode the image. I don't know if you can send an image and text together. I'm not sure how to do it, so it might be a bit over my head how to send the image and the text together. that yeah, you're welcome. But yeah, let me know if you have an idea how to do it with Fast API. On the front end, it should feel like you're sending the image with the text all together. It's gonna take two requests, one for uploading the image and one for, after you upload the image, for putting overlaying the text on top of the image. So for you on the front end, it should feel very similar. Yeah, but I do not know how to do it. I guess maybe here we'll see at the end if we can do it, if we can simplify this. But I just went with what I know, which is not much. So let's see if this worked. The bytes thing. So server C. So we need like a byte array or something. Okay, use the same one. And it's mostly, I mean, yeah, I'm not sure. So this is all hacking. So I'm not, don't take anything. I do not think about the architecture that well. So I'm just hacking. I'm coding as I'm going. I might simplify it at the end. Who knows? But it's mostly just a fun project that I'm hacking on, and hopefully we'll get something cool at the end. So hopefully this will work. Hopefully is the right word to use when you're coding. Okay, so we got something which is broken, I guess. It's not PNG. It's PNG. Let's see what went wrong. Oh, network. Yeah, it's not right. It's broken. So we got the image from Drive. Oops. From Drive. We open it. And with hello, and then here I'm not sure what this thing does. Let's see. So open image, draw a line. Not sure what went wrong here. So image is the old one. Let's see if our image is corrupt. I don't think so, but could be, like the one we got from Drive. So when is the announcement? So we will not. We're working. I'm not sure if you're in the early developer kind of program, but right now we're working with developers in secret to build, apps and stuff, and we will be launching the apps. We're not gonna be announcing our product per se, but we're gonna announce products on the product, and the first product, hopefully, so if everything went as planned, will be out on Tuesday, I think. So the product will not be in the focus, but more the apps will be in the focus. The product itself, we'll see when we will announce it, but not sure. But like definitely the products, and we're working with a few developers who are building apps. And if you're interested, we're open. And we also launched Data VC, which is also part of this kind of initiative. So let's try this. Server as always. Okay, sorry. I guess the issue is maybe because it did read instead of either chunks. We'll see. Yeah, so our image is broken. Why is that? But here it works. Here it works. Here it's broken. It's the same code. Or wait. What am I sending? Image key. Why is it broken? Because we did this stuff to it? Okay, so I guess, yeah. Let's see. So I'm getting the image here. And see if we can return it. Not a generator. Shape is a generator. Yeah. So data VC, I think we started going through the applications. So we got quite a few applications, and we're going through them. We're still getting, you know, new applications, and I think we will close applications next week and then go through them next week or so. So in the next 10 days. Yeah. Did you apply with? Do you have like a specific idea you want to build? Okay, so I think now it's should work. Hopefully. So I'm just returning the one after we open, like the one we opened from with Pillow, to see if we're gonna get the image back. Nope. Why is that? It's not fun. This is not fun. Where is it? Okay. How do you... Mm. Maybe let me actually put it. Put the chat here. What's wrong with? Huh. Okay, I think it's visible now. Hi, Nofal. Awesome. How did it go? Nice. What did you build? Think image save. Let's hope this works. So what I'm doing right now is getting the image that we open in with Pill, getting it in a format that, or like an object that FastAPI will understand and help us display another, and then we'll just, after this is done, we'll try to manipulate the image and add the text to it. So hopefully we'll be able to do this in the half hour we still have. So let's see. If this works. No, still doesn't work. What is the issue here? Oh, nice. Why didn't you deploy the bot on a micro too? Telegram works well with, or micros work well with Telegram. So you can have everything in one place. You can share your portfolio in the chat if. Hopefully that's you can send a link there. So I'm quite stuck here with the yeah. Not sure why. Why this is always corrupt. And the problem we're not, I mean, maybe, hopefully here we're complaining about something. It's not an iterator, so, but this should just work. Let's try it as a context manager. So with as out let's see if this works now. Okay, so I'll try it again. So server error. Writing on a closed file. But it's open. Yeah, that would be cool if you could create a tutorial. Our community are always asking for tutorials and videos and guides. So if you could do that, that would be awesome. We'll definitely tweet it. Yeah. I'm really stuck here. That's the last thing we need to finish. Am I doing something wrong here? I'm reading the pillow documentations and so this will work. Hopefully. No. It did work before. Need like a battery or something. So see if out will work now. Out on get value. Cool. So I guess I was just using the wrong response type. So if I uncomment these two, hopefully we'll be able to get this image with some text here somewhere. Cool, yeah. Fine, we got it there. So let's see how we define see how we get the size. Size. Maybe here. Text size. Text size. Draw. Text size. So yeah, I need to see how to define the font size here. This is just the image size. Where's the text? Low font fill. But it doesn't tell me how to text size, text, font, spacing, direction. Return the size of a given string in pixels. Let's see. So I need to provide the font with font, but I don't know what fonts. I don't have any fonts. Let's try it with so actually let's put the actual text here. So this would be yeah, we need to, if we want to do it right, we have to measure the size of the image, I believe, and So because the positioning will be in relation to the image size. But for now, let's say this will be text dot bottom, no top, sorry. And this will be 100, maybe. See which one is X, which one is Y. This will be the and then okay, so this would be 100. And maybe let's upload a smaller image. Let me make a smaller one. Small. Yeah, I believe this one. Try it out. Let's try the drive one. Then we need the key. Copy. And then we will go to this and provide the new key. Yeah, no, it's not much better, but let me make I'll make one that is much smaller. So I'll make it here. Width. Let's upload the new image that we just made. It's much smaller. So this will be the key. Nice, okay. So that's basically it. Maybe let's find a meme. So say 20, 20, 20, 100. And let's find a meme we can. You can send me a meme format if you want. You want me to test. We need to upload a font, so to define the we need to maybe upload a font. And then we can define the size, and we need to kind of measure the size of the image. Getting a meme template. Ooh, this one is cool. Let me show you. This one is pretty cool. We need black. So 350. And then this one will take 3 texts. Maybe 700, I don't know. What do we call this one? First. So we'll provide 3 texts. So let's upload it. I'll copy the key. We changed the API, so we need to refresh. So okay. Refresh. Text. Try it out. 1, 2, 3. See if this works. Nice. Okay, third did not work because it's off. Maybe like, what is the size of the image? It's maybe it's 641. So what? Interesting. So yeah. So this will be 600. Maybe 300. Maybe maybe it's a one meme generator. So you don't choose your image. That would be interesting to figure out. I mean, I don't think it's gonna be that hard actually. It's if it only supports 2 lines of text, you just need one at the top, one at the bottom, and it's pretty easy to figure out, the dimensions of an image. But something like this, you need templates, so you need to kind of have them predefined, and I guess that's like also easy to. So you could have templates that are stored in Drive, and then you can have these values which are stored in Base, and then basically you can select whatever image you want, and then provide the text. That could be also a cool idea. But I'm not sure what is this meme. Maybe this one. Let's see. Make that a meme at the end. See if this template works. Copy this. So yeah, we basically wasted 45 minutes just because we were returning the wrong response. But once we figured it out, now it's working. So let's see. And so the font is really ugly. And but it's pretty easy to change. But we need to, I guess, maybe Arial is built in. I can't. Figure. That's right. I'm not sure. Just like last. What does it take? I don't know. Then you can pass the font. True type size. Maybe. See if this works. Oh. Let me get one from TrueType and Google. I'll get the font from Google Fonts. Let's see. But regular. Let's see if I can just. Let's see. We need to tell it where to find the file. So the location of the file is var, so /var/task. So when we deploy this to the micro, this will live, this code, whatever is here, will accept things that are ignored. Will be under /var/task. So let's see if they can find it now. Nope. Cannot open resource. True type. Need to download the. What is? True type. True type. True type. True type. True type.
أحس إنه لازم أول أشياء
Edit type.
خليني أكون أحس إن أنا وصلت لمحل
How do you get? Okay, I think I get one here. We'll see. I don't know, we'll get some random. We'll get some random font from here. Hopefully it doesn't have any viruses or anything. Let's see. This is not Arial, by the way. Oops. Just test. This doesn't work. It's also good. So can't seem to read the font. Oh, let's test. Nope. Yeah, that's something else that needs text size means argument text. Oh, yeah. Okay. So I think the font was loaded successfully and now it should work. Cool. Nice. So now we can do we can create the first meme. What should we write? Okay, I have an idea for a meme. First will be VM. Second is a container. Third is data micro. I think that's a fine meme. I'll be posting it to let's save it. Cool. So we spent 2 hours to create a meme, which is a good, in my opinion, is a good investment. It's time well spent. So that's our meme. Okay, awesome. Um, I don't know if I'm gonna finish with the front end at some point, but for today I'm done. I think it would be a good idea to have one API for the image and the text and everything, or having a front end that takes away the complexity. But yeah, that's a meme generator, and just a dozen line of code. And yeah, and you can I mean, we can store the meme and then serve it and share it with other people. Maybe this will come soon. I might update the code to do that and put it on GitHub at some point. But yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next stream. Cheers.